This is very clear that it is the BJP, and most importantly, it is the Prime Minister, no less, who demonizes Jawaharlal Nehru all the time. Do you think it would have been possible for Rajnath Singh ji to ever say that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and his contributions cannot be forgotten? And he said it before 2014. But will he have the guts to say it? And I'm not playing out the whole clip, but I do want you to take a look at this particular clip where he said exactly these words.
Okay, point taken. You can go on. Point taken. Mr. Rajnath Singh must have said it.
Yes, and today I don't think anybody can better the way in which the first Prime Minister of this nation has been demonized. The first Prime Minister spent 9 years in jail. They demonize him, they condemn him, and they use everything in their power to talk badly about them. This has been started by them. As far as we are concerned, we believe in the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi. We are his followers. And therefore, today also, if you saw the way the BJP MPs were behaving and talking, in contrast, our leaders exercised restraint even when they were talking to the media. And clearly, if there are videos, where are the videos? Why are the videos not there out in the open? But the fact is that there were 21 people who got the Bharat Ratna before Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. And he also got it. But making a political noise about it is shameful on the part of the BJP. There are certain rules according to which the Bharat Ratna is given. 3 Bharat Ratnas can be given in 1 year, and it's important to, just let me please complete this. It is very important to understand that you follow rules, but the BJP doesn't. But we have no problem. They gave the Bharat Ratna to 5 people this year, and because it was election time, we have no problem. But there is one point I want to tell the BJP spokesperson. In a letter written on 18 January 1952 to his friend Kamalakant Chitre, what did Baba Saheb say? He said that in the Bombay North Reserve seat, the plotting of defeating him was done by no less
I look at it in a very different way. Last 7 days.